Guys, guess what we're doing today? Since I've been doing my faux desserts for Christmas, we're gonna make a Mackenzie child petite cake. Get ready, here we go. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a couple pieces of this ribbon on here just to give that feel of Mackenzie Child's, and then this ribbon, and both of these were from Hobby Lobby, is going to go around the cake when I'm done frosting it. And then we're going to use some of this pick, snowflake, a little peppermint. First I have to get the ribbon onto this box, and this box, there was a bracelet in here from Hobby Lobby, and as soon as I saw it, I thought, I'm going to keep that to make a cake out of. So that's just what we're doing. Okay, so I have everything laid out that I'm going to use, and I've already pre-cut this. I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and frost the top of this, and then lay the ribbon into it, and then take a little bit of Mod Podge and Mod Podge it onto here, and then I'll go ahead and frost the rest of it. It'll make sense once I do it. Okay, so I'm just going to frost. I'm just going to frost the top a little bit, not a lot, just to cover it. Okay, so see, I just have the top, and you're probably thinking, well, you didn't get over, you know, all the way to the end. That's not going to matter, okay? All of this is going to be piped before I'm done. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay this ribbon into the frosting, and I'm going to come down here, and I'm just going to use a little bit of Mod Podge to stick it down. Okay, so now I have the ribbon adhered down to the box with the Mod Podge. Okay, we're going to frost around, pipe it, and then decide what we want to put on this. And then when the spackle is dry, I'll put this ribbon around it. So right now, let's go ahead and frost the sides. Okay. Okay, and you just keep going just like I am, okay, and you just keep going until it's all covered with this spackle. And you don't need to use a lot. I mean, you need to cover it, but I mean, you don't need, you know, a huge amount. Okay. So I'm going to just keep on doing what I'm doing right here, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now we have the cake frosted, and I have my ribbon up here, so I have a little bit of that feel of Mackenzie Child's. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start putting what we want up on the cake. So I don't know if I want it to be where the snowflake is looking this way, or if I want it with this, and I think I'm going to go this way. And I have to decide which. Yeah, I'm going to do this. So what I have to do now is put some frosting up here. Because I have to be able to anchor this snowflake, right? Okay, and then I have my pick here, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. This really reminds me of Mackenzie Child, so I'm going to put that right there. Okay. And then I think I'm going to put a candy cane. And you have to kind of keep watching whatever you put up because it's going to have a tendency to want to fall down until the spackle kind of hardens a little bit, and then it'll be fine. So I just put a little bit more back there, put a little bit back there to kind of keep it up. Okay, so now what I want to do, I think, is put a little bit of this pick. Okay. Put that one in yet because I need to pipe around here, but I just wanted to kind of set the main pieces up. So now let's start piping around the cake, okay? Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the bottom. So I'll be back after I get done going all the way around. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you what I ended up doing. I went ahead and piped down here, okay? I'm going to let that all dry, and then what I'll do is I'll take this ribbon and then go around, okay? On top, I just put a piece of that pick here and a snowflake with a candy cane, and I want to bring in a little bit more of this really bright lime green, so I'm going to cut a little bit more from the pick. And I want it to stand up a little bit more. I wonder if this comes up anymore. Oh, it does. Cool. Okay. Because I want you to be able to see that red back here. It brings your eye up to the snowflake. Okay, we're done until I put the ribbon on. So what do you think of our Mackenzie child-inspired faux Christmas cake? Well, here is my take on a Mackenzie child Christmas faux cake. I looked and looked on the internet and I couldn't find them. So I just went ahead and did my own rendition of what I thought a Mackenzie child cake would look like, with the real lime green pieces of these pick from Hobby Lobby, and then some of this black and white Harlequin ribbon, and then this is the bulb off of the pick from here, and then some faux peppermint, and then I just followed another pattern down here. So there you go. Guys, I hope that you like this. I hope I inspired you to do something with your boxes and your spackle. You can make some really cute sweets, especially if you're doing a candy theme in your kitchen this year. I want to thank you again for watching, and remember, until we get together again, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon.